How to create a BingX account. Sign up BingX tutorial with referral code JC1ZN6. If you're looking to start trading crypto with BingX, one of the most popular exchanges available, creating an account is quick and easy. BingX offers a user-friendly platform with powerful trading tools, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a BingX account step by step. Don't forget to use the referral code JC1ZN6 during sign-up to access exclusive bonuses and benefits. Step 1. Visit the BingX website or download the app. To get started, head to the BingX official website, bingx.com, or download the BingX mobile app, available on both iOS and Android. The app provides the same functions as the website, so you can complete the sign-up process using either. Step 2. Start the registration process. Once you're on the BingX homepage, click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to choose a registration method, such as email or phone. Either option is fine, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Step 3. Enter your information. Email or phone number. Enter your email address or phone number. Make sure it's an address or number you frequently use, as you'll need to confirm it. Set a password. Choose a strong password that is unique to this account to keep it secure. Avoid using common words or easily guessable numbers. Referral code, optional. Enter JC1ZN6 in the referral code field. Using this code can unlock special bonuses for new users. Step 4. Complete the verification. BingX requires verification for security purposes. Depending on your sign-up method. Email verification. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from BingX and click the link provided. Phone verification. If you signed up with a phone number, enter the code you receive via SMS to verify your number. This quick verification step ensures that your account is secure and ready for trading. Step 5. Explore BingX features and start trading. After completing the verification, your BingX account is ready to use. Log in to explore BingX's features, such as the spot and futures markets, copy trading options, and analysis tools. You can start by depositing funds into your account to begin trading right away. Key benefits of using BingX and referral code JC1ZN6. Intuitive interface. BingX's platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to navigate whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader. Low trading fees. BingX offers competitive trading fees, helping you maximize your profits on every trade. Copy trading. For new traders, BingX offers a copy trading feature that allows you to follow successful traders and automatically copy their trades. Referral bonuses. Using referral code JC1ZN6 not only supports this guide but also opens up exclusive bonuses and rewards for new users. BingX stands out for its ease of use, powerful trading features, and support for various cryptocurrencies. With low fees, robust security, and advanced trading tools, it's a strong choice for anyone looking to enter the crypto trading space. BingX also offers a copy trading feature that's ideal for beginners who want to learn from experienced traders, plus competitive trading fees that benefit all users. The question is ready to get started? Click the registration link in the description or comments below to create your BingX account with referral code JC1ZN6 and start trading today.